Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is FIA UDC paper which was taken on October 2019. Let's start. No promotion on regular basis shall be made to post in basic pay scale 17 to BPS 22 equivalent unless the officer concerned has the answer is completed such minimum length of service, attended such training as many years prescribed from time to time, passed such departmental examination as may be prescribed from time to time. The word computer derived from which language? Latin. According to civil servant appointments, promotion and transfer, Rule 1973, who shall appoint posts in basic pay scale 1 and 2 are equivalent? So the answer is an officer notified by Secretary of Ministry Division concerned. When was Microsoft Excel invented? The answer is 30 September 1985. Limitation provided for appeal for review application under section 22(1) of Civil Servant Act 1973 is 30 days. According to Secretariat Instruction number 45, who may make unofficial reference to any ministry division of Government of Pakistan? The answer is Naval and Air Headquarters, Pakistan Ordnance Factories Board, Chief Administrative Officer Organization. Third generation of computer are included mainframe, mini computer, desktop computer. Secretariat Instruction number: an appointment made otherwise than by promotion or transfer is called initial appointment. In Microsoft Word, which can be used as watermark in documents, picture and text, in case which can be disposed of directly by a section officer, elaborate note need to record is false. Answer is false. What is meant by commuter? Person who travel regularly. Section 2 of Civil Servant Act provides for terms and conditions. According to Section 4, the Civil Servant Act 1973, every civil servant shall hold office. The answer is during the pleasure of President. There can be confirmation against temporary post falls. Under which part of Civil Servant Rules 1973 appointment are made by promotion or transfer? Part 2. Who shall determine the maximum extent of delegation of power to officer serving under him? The Secretary. The computer jargon www stands for World Wide Web. The soap was made by Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. Injil is the holy book of Christian. The biggest Islamic country by area is Kazakhstan. How many Sahifi were revealed on Hazrat Idris alayhi salam? 30. Amir Muawiyah transferred his capital from Kufa to Damascus. Name of fourth kalima is Kalma Tawheed. 8th month of Islam is Shaban. Name of the prophet whose wife did not believe in Tawheed? Hazrat Lut alayhi salam. The first biography on the life of Prophet ﷺ is by Ibn Ishaq. The foundation of the city of Baghdad was laid in 762 during a reign of Abbasid Khalifa al-Mansur. Sujood in Holy Quran are 14. Whose nation was exterminated through the scourge of floods? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. The Nuh alayhi salam, the nation of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is 5 idols. Hazrat Sarah radhiyallahu anha, the wife of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and the mother of Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam and the sister of Hazrat Hud alayhi salam. The height of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam was 90 feet. Infidels were killed in Jang-e Badr, 70 kuffar. The great mosque of Damascus was built by Walid I. PM Imran Khan inaugurated Mumandem on 2nd May 2019. Karachi Steel established in 2nd July 1973. In 1974, Pakistan became the chairman of OIC. Textile is situated in Punjab. On 1st December 1988, Benazir Bhutto became the first woman PM of Pakistan. When Qaid joined Muslim League in 1913, first Pakistani to claim on K2, Ashraf Anan. What is the height of Godwin Austen? 8,611 meter K2. National anthem was composed by Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chagla. National animal of Pakistan is Markhor. Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar issued Comrade newspaper from Kolkata, 14 January 1911. Greenwich Mean Time is 5 hours behind of Pakistan Standard Time. Area of Wakhan is under control of Afghanistan. Area of Islamabad is 906 square kilometer. USA President Bill Clinton arrived Pakistan in 2000. Nobel Prize awarded from 1901. In which state of America Hollywood city is located? California. Which is the oldest civilization in world? Jiahu. Who was the winner of Iran-Iraq War 1982-1988? Iraq. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon were built in 600 BC. What is meant by lithosphere? Rigid, rocky outer layer of Earth. Pakistan joined UN on 30 September 1947. Year of independence of Afghanistan 1919. The word Thailand means land of free people. The maximum height of Kirtar range is 2,150. The NWP became Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 15 April 2010, which was the first air force of the world. Royal Air Force of Great Britain. Second largest continent of the world is Africa. 1 pound weight is equal to 16 ounces. Old names of Ethiopia is Abyssinia. Political philosopher Edmund Burke belonged to British. Length of Great Wall of China 21,196 kilometers. What is the name of the Muslim astronaut Salman bin Abdul Aziz? What is the photometer? It is an instrument for measuring light intensity. World War I began in 1914. Guys, it was the end of the lecture. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.